FTC sheet-fed paper bag making machine. Now make creative paper bags, multicolor brown paper bags, multicolor board type paper bags, premium paper shopping bags. Labor-oriented mechanical system to feed the sheets in low RPM. Side pasting is customizable for any width, example 1 inch 2 inch side pasting possible. "40 bags per minute is possible in low RPM itself. Square bottom folding manually can be done. Square bottom pasting process. Square bottom pasting required gluing on all edges. We have created India's first system to paste all edges in cold glue, which is cost effective to make paper bags. Now start making creative and premium paper bags with FTC sheet feeding paper bag making machine.